wheezer. He is perfection. Every strand of hair, every single atom of him is perfection. The color of his clothes represents him perfectly well. It represents the show perfectly well. In fact, why not just make him the main character? He transcends space and time. There is no limit to his power. He is smarter than every human combined. Jimmy Neutron might be able to invent cool shit like robots and stuff, yeah. But Carl Weezer, he knows he's in the show. And he is in control of the show. He is in control of Earth itself. Hell, Carl Weezer. Hell.